How can I check my Experian profile for my business? Logging into your Experian Business Credit Report profile is important for building business credit. By doing so, you can monitor your credit report for accuracy and identify areas that need improvement, such as paying bills on time and reducing credit utilization. This can help improve your credit score and make it easier to secure financing. Additionally, monitoring your credit report can help you stay on top of fraud and identity theft, while accessing credit monitoring tools and resources can help you manage your credit profile and achieve your financial goals. By logging into your Experian Business Credit Report profile regularly, you can access credit monitoring tools and resources that can help you manage your credit profile and achieve your financial goals. These resources can include credit score simulators, credit alerts, and educational resources on building and managing business credit. If you notice any suspicious activity, you can report it to Experian and take steps to protect your business from further harm. This can help you stay on top of potential threats and protect your business's financial health. To check your Experian profile for your business, you can follow these steps. Go to the Experian Business Credit Report website at www.experian.com. Click on the Get Started button to create an account or log in to your existing account. Enter your business information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number, TIN. Verify your identity by providing your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number, SSN. Select the type of report you want to order, such as a Business Credit Advantage report, which provides detailed information on your business credit profile. Follow the prompts to complete your order and pay the fee, which may vary depending on the type of report you select. In the next lesson, we will delve into crucial information about what you need to be aware of in case you encounter any inaccuracies on your Experian Business Credit Report. If you like this video, be sure to check out the rest of our course on building business credit at mybusinesscredit.com.